Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of tender coconut ice cream which is made using ice cream maker. This is so delicious and tastes exactly like the store bought. Let's see how to prepare this ice cream. You have to take thick fleshed tender coconut like this. I have removed the flesh of 1.5 tender coconut. Tender coconut flesh is ready and it's time to grind it. Grind it into a smooth paste using this tender coconut water. This is the main ingredient to make this ice cream. I'll explain you how to make this ice cream without using ice cream maker as well. Grind the tender coconut into a smooth paste like this. Totally we need 1¼ cup of tender coconut puree. In a saucepan, take 250 ml of full fat milk. So make sure to use full fat milk. Once the milk boils, add in 1 cup plus 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a mix so that the sugar dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, add in the cornflour slurry. For the cornflour slurry, I have mixed in 2 tablespoons of cornflour in 3 tablespoons of milk. Once you add the cornflour slurry, you have to continue stirring. The milk is thickening since we have added cornflour. This should be the consistency of the milk mix. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence. I have added 2 pinch of salt as well. This is custard and I have transferred this custard into a container. Now add in the tender coconut puree. Add in 450 ml of thick fresh cream. Mix everything nicely so that it combines well. Cover it with the lid and keep it in freezer for half an hour. If you do not have ice cream maker means you can freeze it for 3 years. Ice cream will be semi-set and you have to beat it nicely with an electric beater or a wire whisk. Repeat this step for 2 times. I have also prepared mango and strawberry yogurt ice cream using the ice cream maker. I'll share this recipe soon on our channel. This ice cream mix is kept in freezer for 30 minutes. Since I have frozen it for half an hour, this will be almost thick like this. I'm going to prepare this ice cream using this ice cream maker. The machine and the pedal attachment is on the lid. This is the ice cream container which will have liquid in it. I have frozen this container in freezer for overnight. We have to freeze it until the liquid is solidified. Fix the lid of the ice cream maker. Here's the timer and the start button. I'm going to set it for 30 minutes. Switch on the ice cream maker and you could see the pedal is moving inside. Gently pour in the ice cream mix through the inlet like this. Next you can relax and the ice cream maker does its job perfectly. As I said earlier, if you do not have ice cream maker means you can freeze this mix in freezer and beat it nicely using an electric beater or a wire whisk. The ice cream mix is churned nicely and this gives nice texture to the ice cream. After 30 minutes you can remove the ice cream. This ice cream maker will give soft texture ice cream and not the hard one. To attain the right texture, we have to freeze this ice cream. Actually, making an ice cream using an ice cream maker is not a quick process. But the texture of the ice cream really makes a difference. I'm transferring the ice cream into this glass container. With this measurement, we'll get one medium and small size container full of ice cream. Now freeze this ice cream for 4 hours or until set. I have prepared chocolate ice cream using this ice cream maker. Kids will really love this chocolate ice cream. This is custard apple ice cream. I'll share all these recipes soon in our channel. The tender coconut ice cream is set and I have taken it out of the refrigerator. This is so aromatic and full of tender coconut flavor. I like smooth textured tender coconut ice cream. You can chop tender coconut flesh and add into it. Tender coconut and custard apple ice cream is my favorite one. Look at the texture of the ice cream. Delicious, refreshing tender coconut ice cream is ready to be served now. Do try this ice cream and share me the feedback. Give it a try if you do not have ice cream maker as well. Subscribe my channel for more interesting recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.